Steve, I'm up my dad's driveway, and I just got done taking down the trash because tomorrow the trash gets picked up. And the time now is 5:24 p.m. but it's really 4:24 p.m. because yesterday, really early in the morning, the time sprung forward because of daylight savings time. So yesterday was only 23 hours long instead of 24, and it messed me up really bad because I didn't wake up till almost 10 o'clock, but I guess you could say I woke up at 9 o'clock yesterday morning because, again, we lost an hour, and it's been raining on and off all day today, and right now the sun is trying to come out, but I think it's actually about to start raining again, and they said it's supposed to start raining and then keep raining like all night. So I think I'm gonna go inside now. So that's it for this vlog. Bye.